I'm going to provide a detail about quality assurance lead training program from the Institute of IT Training Data. Who can join this program, what includes in the program, and how you're going to change your career to IT with this program. So this program, Quality Assurance Lead, is 3 months in duration. It is set for the beginner level. That means anyone looking to switch career to IT without prior education or experience are most welcome to join. You will be learning with the teachers live online in a real time who are coming from the industry, having many years of experience. It is a 3 months of training that includes portfolio building, career support to find a right job for you in the market. You will be learning from the scratch to advanced level of all the real-time projects with the tools like Jira, Atlassian, Postman, Visual Studio, and Confluence tools which are coming from the industry. This program is covered in four components, four parts. First, you will be learning the manual testing with defect management. This comes with 5 plus real-time projects that includes how to develop test plan, integration test cases, regression testing, and test execution using Jira Atlassian tool. You will be also learning the test execution reports and defect management reports, which you will have to present to your manager when you're actually working in a job. The second part of the learning is API testing with Postman. You'll be learning how to create and execute API test cases, test automation, API test automation, and troubleshooting. The third component of this program is Selenium test automation with C Sharp Selenium WebDriver using page object model that begins with the installation of the tools, set up the framework, write your own code at the Visual Studio IDE, and you will be learning from the beginning to advanced level of the automation. We'll also learn how to run test automation suites and how to report the automation test result to your project management team. The last part is to learn SQL data validation, which is very important for every project. And you'll be learning the fundamentals of the SQL, security testing, data validations for the project requirements. You will also learn how to use agile methodologies, Scrum frameworks, participating in stand up meeting, sprint planning, sign off reports, go no go decision reports, as well as the release management the team, as well as release management reports when you are part of the project team. The QA lead program is highly successful and provides an entry level QA analyst or QA lead job with an average pay of around 65,000 plus Canadian dollar into the market. With over 96% of our success of our students, we are proud to say many corporate companies in the North America have the privilege to hire the students right after the training due to their technical skills and project experience. A QA lead is a great career with almost 60% or more are work from home jobs in the North America. There is a universal demand with huge potential to grow your career. You can aspire for the senior QA, QA manager, president, or director kind of roles once you start the journey in the QA domain. This program is designed for the beginner level, and anyone can join who has desire to acquire a well-paid IT job. If you are switching your career from retail, marketing, sales, customer service, banking, supply chain, or any other domain, you are most welcome to join this program and make a career transition to IT as a quality assurance lead. So it's total 3 months in duration where you'll be learning projects in a live sessions with coach. You'll be guided to design technical resume and as well as will support you for the job placement for all remote, hybrid, or on-site QA lead jobs. We'll be providing ongoing support to enhance your career further into the QA domain. So join us for real-time hands-on projects-based QA lead program and get help in finding the right job based on your profile. Fees can be paid in smaller, affordable installments, and financial assistance will be provided. What is next? Call us 403 207 0273 or register by visiting our website iofit.ca/registration. You don't have to quit your current job to join this program, so you can join from any city: Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, Vancouver, or anywhere from North America. So join us and change your career, change your life Looking forward to help you make your career transition to IT to tech. Thank you for watching Institute of IT Training.